Pacework to be completed English Pace RR04 page 20 until 21. Page 20. Recognition of the P sound. Say the names of the pictures. Peacock, top, pear, pan, pine cone. Listen to the P sounds. With your purple marker, draw a line from PD Peacock to the pictures beginning with the P sound. Page 21. Different. Look at the pictures in row 1. Place your finger on the picture in row 1 that is different from the other pictures. With your green marker, cross out the picture that is different. Look at the pictures in row 2. Place your finger on the picture in row 2 that is different from the other pictures. With your green marker, cross out the picture that is different. Look at the pictures in row 3. Place your finger on the picture in row 3 that is different from the other pictures. With your green marker, cross out the picture that is different. Look at the pictures in row 4. Place your finger on the picture in row 4 that is different from the other pictures. With your green marker, cross out the picture that is different. Pacework to be completed. Math Pace RR04 page 10. Number balloons. Listen carefully. Wax is holding AC numbers balloons. AC learned in school last week that numbers can be put together to make bigger numbers. Do you see numbers that can be put together to make the new numbers you have learned? With your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 numbers balloons that make the number 25. With your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 26. With your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 27. With your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 28. With your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 29. With your 2 pointers fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 30. Now, with your 2 pointer fingers, point to the 2 number balloons that make the number 31. With your crayons, color only the number balloons that can be put together to make the number 31. Pacework to be completed. Science Pace RR04 page 9. The clock pie. Listen carefully. Yum! Sniff, sniff. Christy was looking into the little window on the oven. Mama was baking a blueberry pie. It smelled just yummy. The blueberry pie needs to bake for 1 hour, said Mama. Mama, what is an hour? Asked Christy. An hour is a small part of a day, answered Mama. Every day is divided up into hours. The day is like a pie, cut up into small pieces. Oh, Mama, said Christy excitedly. I see that the clock is divided up into little parts, too. A clock looks like a pie cut into 12 pieces. Yes, Christy, you are beginning to understand time, praised Mama. While we wait to my blueberry pie to bake in the oven for 1 hour, why don't you draw a clock for me, Christy? I will draw a clock pie for you, Mama, agreed Christy, taking out her crayons. I will draw a yellow and blue pie with 12 pieces. Mama watched lovingly as Christy drew the clock pie. I will help you, Christy. I will put the numbers on your yellow and blue clock. It is fun to work together. Think, how long did the blueberry pie need to bake? What is an hour? A clock is divided into how many little parts? What did Mama ask Christy to draw while they wait 1 hour for the pie to bake? What colors did Christy make her clock pie? How many numbers did Mama put on Christy's clock pie? What color did Christy color the number 1 of her clock pie? What color did Christy color the number 2 of her clock pie? With your yellow and blue crayons, color the rest of Christy's clock pie. Color the number 3 piece yellow. Color the number 4 piece blue. Continue coloring the pieces in the same order around the clock pie. Pacework to be completed. Social Studies Pace RR04, page 20. Brother and sister toys. Listen carefully. Many families have both boy children and girl children. The boys in a family are called brothers. The girls in a family are called sisters. Brothers usually like to play with boy toys. Sisters usually like to play with girl toys. Think, what are the boys in a family called? What are the girls in a family called? Which toys do brothers usually like best? Which toys do sisters usually like best? With your blue marker, draw a circle around the toys brothers like best. With your red marker, draw a circle around the toys sisters like best.